Yupak na killer. Alright, Chigoy, and welcome back sa panibagong video, which is maglalaro po tayo ng Let's Kill Jeff the Killer Asylum. So, huwag na natin patagalin yung video and start na tayo. Hard stream one time. Okay, normal lang tayo kasi okay. Explore the asylum and find 8 photos of Jeff the Killer. Oy, putek ka. No, no. Tumigil ka. Tumigil ka ha. Tumigil ka sa akin ha. Baka tol, magkaalaman tayo. Sino bumubulong sa akin talinga? Putek na yan. Sino bumubulong sa talinga ko? So we got 2 photo. Now what? Oh my god. Umong gulatin ha. Kundi yari ka sa akin ha. Stupid asylum. No. No, no. Okay, this is getting harder and harder ha, putik. Shut the hell up, Jeff. Yupak na killer. Need that. May shotgun dito, putik. Where is the shotgun? Oh my goodness, where is the shotgun? Aray. Huwag kang bulong ng bulong sa lingaw ha. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so scared. What the flip? What the flip is that sound? Sagabal ka ha. With photo, 5 photo. Ayan ka na naman. Oh, where is the... Maybe 5. Sige. Pucha, this is getting creepier, huh? This is getting creepier to the point na we dig deeper, it's getting creepier. Okay, So guys, dyan lang po. Oh my god, Jeff. Sige. Kutsilyo. So guys, dyan lang po tatapos yung video natin. Comment down sa part 2 if you enjoy it. So leave a like, share, and subscribe na kayo para makasali sa Team Chigoy. Sorry tayo dyan. Alright. Hackdog, cheesedog, kakalog. Alright. Sayonara.